Today's meal is going to be a slow cooker chili. I pulled out some canned items I had in my pantry, tomatoes, a wide variety of beans. I found an onion in the fridge. Bought those when they were a great deal before the holidays. My slow cooker out. I'm going to go easy on the ground beef. I like to go heavier on the beans. So I'm going to hopefully have enough for tonight's meal. Some to share with my father-in-law, and then some to freeze for another meal during the week. When I don't feel like cooking, I can just pull that out of the freezer. Doing larger batches when I cook seems to work better for me than doing a huge freezer meal cooking day.